Hi everyone, I am here with one important coding problem that is nothing but checking whether the given number is circular prime or not. Checking whether the given number is circular prime or not. What is a circular prime? Circular prime is a prime number. Basically it is a prime number that remains prime after circular rotations of the number by digits. Such prime number is called a circular prime number. One good example for that is 113, 113. If you rotate 113 by one digit in a circular fashion, we will get 131, we will get 311. These are also prime numbers. Okay, then we can say that this 113, the original number 113 is a circular prime. Is a circular prime. Okay, now how to work or how to find whether the given number is circular prime or not. So let me explain the logic. First I will write a function to check whether the given number is prime or not. Prime or not. So the logic I use here is well familiar. If number is less than 2, return false. That means for 0, 1, return false. Set I equal to 2, then so this is nothing but this is equal to I less than or equal to square root of num. This I have rewritten like I square less than or equal to num. So if num is divisible by I, then return false. That could not be a prime number. Then you keep checking like this until I becomes square root of num. Then ultimately if it is not declared as not prime, it will be declared as prime, return true. Then I will write another function is circular prime. Is circular prime of the given number. So the number is converted to string using str function in Python. Then for I in range len of s, you start the range from 0 up to len of s. For example, if the number is 113, len of this number is 3. That means it will stop at 0, 1 and then 2. Rotate equal to int of S I colon. This is like circular left shift. Circular left shift. So I colon plus S colon I. So this is with the help of list slicing. List slicing. We are making circular rotations. We are making circular rotations. So convert that circular rotation to integer, then check if it is prime or not. If it is not prime, after one iteration, immediately come out of the function. No need to check other rotations. Okay, that is the logic here. If not is prime of rotation, return false. So otherwise, after this whole for loop is executed, if we have not returned false, that means the number is circular prime, return true. Then come to main function. If name equal to main, print is circular prime of 311. So I am giving 311. What are the circular rotations of this 311? First one will be 311, then 131, then 113. So all these are prime numbers. Hence I can declare this 311 as circular prime. So this is the logic I have written. Okay, with the help of list slicing, this rotation can be done in an easy manner. Now, I hope you understood the logic presented here. What is that I am doing? First I am writing one function to check whether the given number is prime or not. Then I am writing second function to check whether the given prime number is circular prime or not. So if each rotation of the given number is prime, then such number can be declared as circular prime. Then call circular prime function from main method and then declare whether the given input is circular prime or not. Okay, so I hope you understood the logic. So let me quickly execute the code and let us give different inputs. So this is the code I have written in Python. Let me execute this. I have given 100 as the input. 100 is not prime at all. So that's why we got the result false. Okay. Then let me run this code with some other input. Let me consider 113. First it will print the rotations of 113, 131, 311, and finally it declares that as circular prime, true. Okay. So I hope you understood the logic presented here. So if you have understood, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.